Welcome back to Pro Chef Cuts. Let's work with some garlic now. I'm going to peel the garlic, take off all the skin. It's important to always have a container for waste nearby. There we go. And we're going to keep it as intact as possible so that we can make beautiful cuts in our garlic. What we're going to do today is called manicuring garlic. Now, traditionally, or at least since I was a little kid, I've cut garlic like this. Cut it in pieces, and then go back through it, chop it up one time. Right now I'm smashing the garlic, really not getting an effective cut out of the garlic. I can sit here and pound away at it a little longer. Two things are gonna happen. My knife's gonna get dull, and the garlic is gonna start to release its flavors in a way that's a little bit less desirable than the next way we're gonna cut the garlic. So you can see it's a pretty good chop, not bad, but that's just one clove. If you have 10 or 15 or a whole mess of garlic to cut, you're not gonna wanna sit around and do that. We're gonna show you how to cut garlic the professional way. Now, I learned this in a Michelin star kitchen. So you want to think finesse when you're cutting garlic. Like so. Now, I've cut it twice. We're going to go back across it the third time. Just like that, folks. Manicured garlic.